Before we get started, I feel like I should give you a little disclaimer about my cooking skills. You see, I approach the kitchen with the same level of expertise and precision as these two legends.
It's all ready now for the tree. Well, you said you were going to get it today.
Yes, I left it outside.
Well, bring it in. I'm glad you decided to get a nice big one, because Mum sent the fairy lights today. Do you think there'll be enough?
I think so, yes.
The Amazing Adventures of Dangerous Brian.
Good evening and welcome to tonight's Dangerous Bits. You join us from a top-secret experimental game reserve located somewhere in Paraguay. To explain why we're here, let's meet the man who's taken daring and stupidity to great new heights.
Frank Spencer, a master of chaos, and Dangerous Brian, whose plans don't always quite go to plan. Now, somewhere in between these two is me. Little food experiments like this one, and I'll see you in the next one. I like to think I'm serious about cooking, but let's face it, things don't always go the way I imagine. So if you're expecting a Michelin-starred result today, you might want to lower your expectations just a little. But hey-ho, it's all about fun, right? Now you've been warned, let's get into the experiment. Will it work? Well, there's only one way to find out, so let's get cooking. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a culinary experiment that might just be a stroke of genius or total disaster. I hope not. Now, I've come up with an idea. Corned beef, bolognese and cheese bake. Sounds crazy, right? But I couldn't stop wondering, will it actually work? So, in true Brian Deeth style, we're going to give it a shot. Stick around and see if we create something amazing or just a big mess. Either way, it's going to be fun. So let's get cooking, and I'll catch you all later. Alright, we've got our ingredients ready. Corned beef, bolognese sauce, cheese, and those trusty hash browns. I'm going to prep them now. At this point of prepping, I decided to make the hash browns cubed instead of grated. Now here's the big question. Will they actually work together in this bake? I've got no idea, but we're about to find out. We'll start by laying it all up, get it in the oven and hope for the best. But hey ho, no matter what, it's going to be an adventure. Do you think this mashup of flavours will be a masterpiece or a disaster? Stick around, find out, and let's get cooking. Right, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, it's in the oven. I've set a timer. So fingers crossed everything comes out together nicely. In the meantime, let's chat about the crazy combination. Corned beef, bolognese sauce, cheese and hash browns. Who would have thought this? Yeah, me, but hey, sometimes the best recipes come from a little creativity or desperation, right? As the bake does its thing, I'm already imagining the golden cheesy crust. But will it taste as good as it sounds? Want a way to find out? Stick around. Here it is, our corned beef, bolognese and cheese bake. It's looking pretty good on the outside. How does it stack up inside? Let's cut into it and see. Alright, moment of truth. Look at those layers. Golden, cheesy, hash browns. Yeah. Well, honestly, surprisingly delicious, super cheesy, or an unexpected combo. It's hearty, it's cheesy, and the hash browns, wow, lovely. So, does it work? I'd say, yeah, kind of. But I'll let you decide if you try this at home. Comments below if you think you'd give it a go, or what wild combos you'd try your own kitchen. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more wild food experiments like this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, me, but they sometimes we'll pull it out and just have a bit. We'll put it out in just a bit. Alright. We'll pull it out just in a bit and dive right in. Hang on. Unfortunately, super cheesy or an unexpected, surprisingly delicious, super cheesy or an unexpected